Hello guys and welcome to another video from Sportsian. Okay, before I start off, I would like to explain why am I wearing an MI jersey on a match day between CSK and SRH. Simply just because we are right at the top of the table. And it's been an unbelievable performance from Karen Pollard and Hardik Pandya in the last 6 overs or 5 overs, I would say. And to get away from the heartbreak that caused against the match against RCP, it's a what do you say? It's a joy that the team has given us, and it's just a symbol to show to the world that we are at the top. So keeping MI aside and yesterday's match aside, let's come to today's match. So today's match is between Chennai Super Kings and Sunrisers Hyderabad. Uh, Hashtag also known as test matches in color jerseys and also known as test T20s. Now, mind you, these are not my words. These are not the. I'm just a moderator that to give you these words. These are just some random chats I found in WhatsApp and hashtag Janta Kirai. So I'm just a convener, so don't mind me. But seriously, I mean, when commentators in commentary box are like literally begging you to go out and hit the ball, then there is something wrong with the approach that the teams are following. And even when rival fans like me are like very frustrated with the team's batting, so that's something that the teams have to ponder about. Now, as a rival fan, I should be happy, but I'm frustrated with the way these teams are approaching the games. So it's better like if we can do something. And I think it's time that both the captains should get to know from, learn from Sharma ji ka beta. Hashtag, if you know what I mean. Okay. Let's keep this aside now. Let's talk about like how they have performed. Now CSK have found themselves in a very uncharted territory. They're right at the bottom of the table. I don't remember. I don't think there was any instance in the IPL in the previous seasons of IPL whenever they are playing, they were at the bottom of the table. So this is something that is not familiar to them. SRH have been in the same territory, but they found some rhythm in their last match against. In the last match, the bowling has been pretty decent. Even though they've struggled with their batting, struggled with to get runs, but batting has never been the strong point. It has been bowling, and that has been hurting them a lot. And with Kane Williamson playing his first game in this IPL, he has showed what composure he has and what stability he brings to the middle order. So SRH are like more pretty much balanced side right now. Compared to CSK, who are like still calculating their combinations, who to open, who to not open, and the good news for them is like Ambati Raidu and Dwayne Bravo are available for selection. So that's something that these teams the CSK can cherish. And the match is going to be held in Dubai. So these are big grounds, mind you. We can't expect a run face there, except if it's only possible for an MI team. So don't expect I don't expect anything beyond 160 170 on these grounds. Let's get back at the fantasy picks. That's the main mode of this video. Talking about the fantasy picks, you have your wicketkeeper slot. We would go with Johnny Bairstow. MS Dhoni he is coming pretty down low at the order. He comes like 5 down, 6 down, so it doesn't help your fantasy score. So it's better to have Johnny Bairstow, who has a better chance at scoring some runs because he opens, and he's been in a decent form in this IPL as well. So it's better to go with Johnny Bairstow. Now coming to the batsmen, we've chosen 4 batsmen: David Warner, Kane Williamson, Ambati Raidu, and Fab du Plessis. Now all the 4 batsmen have been in form. Kane Williamson, who has played his first match in the last game, showed like what composure he brings to the team and what can he do once he gets on his groove. And Ambati Raidu, he's been I think he's the only batsman other than Fab who has been in good touch in the CSK team. And unfortunately, due to injuries, he has to miss out the last 2 matches. But right now he's available for selection, so we expect him to perform this time. We've gone with 2 all-rounders. There's a dilemma there. We've gone with Abhishek Sharma, who can bat and ball as well. And there's a confusion between Sam Curran and Dwayne Bravo. I mean, we're not sure. We are not 100% sure if Bravo will play in the final 11 or not. So that's a thing. So considering that, it's better to have Sam Curran in your team, or because he's been exceptionally well. He's been bowling exceptionally well. He's been batting exceptionally well. I think it would be a good move if he can be promoted up the order. Due to his hitting skills, I feel that might be an asset to CSK. Coming to the bowlers, we've chosen Rashid Khan, Bhuvneshwar, Deepak Chahar, and Natarajan. Now, Rashid Khan, Bhuvi, and Deepak Chahar are like self-explanatory. You would want to have them in your team, but Natarajan has been having a pretty decent IPL, and especially in the last game, he was nailing Yorkers. Like he just eats them for breakfast. And I don't remember when was the last time when we were speaking about a left arm pacer. I think it was Jahir Khan, and now it is Nataraj. So it will be an exciting game how he goes about in this game. So that's it, guys. That's it from us. If you think that there is any better playing 11 that you want to share, please do mention in the comment section. And for such amazing sports content, please do share and subscribe to Sportsian.